Look, it's hard to know. I wasn't a part of it until obviously India. I came in this test in the one-day series that we played at home in India, and from then on, obviously been part of it then. But behind the scenes, been doing a lot of hard work. Things like this don't happen without a lot of hard work. It looks a lot easier when you're on the field because you're like, oh, everything's working out, you're winning. Seems simple, but everyone's put in a lot of effort behind the scenes on all facets of the game. And I thought the Indian series in Australia was, from what I saw from the outside coming into that series, obviously we lost a lot of one-days before that. A turning point for us because we probably should have won that series and we didn't, but they're one of the best sides in the world and we gave them a real run for their money. And then we went over to India, lost the first 2 games and then won the series. And then I think we all had that confidence, even though we lost the first 2 games, that we can compete, we can actually beat these guys. And once we started doing it, we got that winning feeling back. I think winning's a habit. We say that a lot amongst the team, hence why we're trying to win all the games we're playing. Even these warm-up games we wanted to win, just to keep that habit going. So we might have lost that habit a little bit before, but hopefully we found it again leading into the World Cup.